Today is World Environment Day. Theme: Biodiversity. Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June to spread awareness, to encourage people for taking action to protect the environment. Over the years, it is celebrated by millions of people in more than 100 countries. It's a signal of protecting nature from pollution, oil spills, hunters, and other harmful things made by humans. The first World Environment Day was held in 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. We should plant at least one sapling on that day. The theme for the year 2020 is Biodiversity. Biodiversity describes the variety of life on Earth. It includes 8 million species on the planet. Plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and of course, us humans. The rise of COVID-19 has indicated the fact that when we destroy biodiversity, we destroy the system that supports human life. We are connected with nature. If we don't take care of nature, we can't take care of ourselves. Together, we can act for nature.